Hello everyone, it's me Jang from Crafting World. Today in this video we'll learn how to make a beautiful pansy flower using a paper. So you can see here I'm holding a pansy flower. So how you can make it? So without any further delay, let's begin. So for this you need to make a circle snippet of different size. Firstly, take the biggest one. You need to take two same colors and one white color, that is two purple colors or the violet colors of similar size, along with the one white circular and little smaller than the first one. There's two circle separate, and the last one is the smallest among these two circle separates, and one green rectangular paper to make a leaf. As you can see here, it's a leaf to make a leaf. And for the stems we'll take one tiny long green separate paper for the stem. So let's begin. Now you need to glue here, and you need to paste these two purple colors above it, just like this and like this. You need to paste in this manner. So let me glue it. So you need to paste in the half side manner. So let me show you in the produce near the camera. So you need to half glue here, just like this, and take the other one. So you need to glue in the half portion, just like this. You can see just like this. Again, you need to paste these two smaller size here and here, so you need to glue again here. Take one white circle, and again take one more on the other white circle. Now the last one, again you need to glue it here. So you can see our pansy flower is almost ready. So what you need to do next is you need to just paint it some color. Take two sketch pens, one yellow color and one black color. Just color here some. Now take the black color one. Just draw one straight line, just like this. See here, just draw like this. And there is some more steps you need to do, little bit. Just fold this, and fold from this side. Just draw some more black lines in here, just from here. Now what you need to do, So we'll make a leaf. Take this small piece of paper which I've cut it earlier. Just fold in the middle. Just like this. And cut in the lip shape, just you were seeing in the video, just like it. So our leaf is ready. Now last thing what you need to make, we need a stem. So take the small piece of paper as we have cut in earlier. What you need to do, you need to roll it. Just roll it just like this. So our stem and leaf is ready. Just we need to paste it together. Just put some glue here. Now just stick this in behind the flower, just like this. Stick it behind the flower. Now the last thing left is we'll need to paste this leaf on here. Just glue it this too. So you can see our pansy flower is almost ready now and almost completed like the earlier one, as you can see here. So it's not very easy. I'm sure you will glad to see it's very easy to make. So why not you try it out by yourself, and if you face any difficulty in understanding this crafting tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. If you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.